Today, you will learn how to add signature in PDF file online for free. First, open any internet browser. Now, go to Google and type Sign PDF. Press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, open the I Love PDF website. Now, click Select PDF file. A window will open on your screen. Choose the PDF file where you want to add your signature. Then click Open. After uploading, your PDF file will open on the screen. Now, choose Only Me because you are signing your own document. Next, type your name and initials in the boxes. Now, you need to create your signature. You will see three options. Text, type your signature. Draw your signature using the mouse. Upload an image of your signature. Choose the option you like. After that, click Apply. Now, click on the Signature field to place your signature on the document. You can drag the signature to move it. You can also resize it if needed. You can also add initials, name, date, or extra text. Just click on the option and drag it onto the document. Once you have completed, click on the red Sign button. Finally, click Download File to save your signed PDF. That's it! Your PDF file is now signed and ready to use. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.